Hi, I'm Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. And today we're going to talk all about the push-up. This is a great exercise if you have no equipment. If you don't have anything, you're at home, can't go to the gym, this is a great exercise. But we're going to focus today on the technique of it. There's a lot of people out there that have this misconception about doing a high number of push-ups. If you do it correctly, you probably won't do a high number, but you'll build your chest better than you ever have done before. So today we're gonna go over all the do's and don'ts, what you need to do to get that great chest popping when you do your push-ups. Follow me. All right, when it comes to performing the push-up, the main thing we gotta remember is our starting position. We wanna make sure that we start in a contracted position. So I have a video here that I did previously all about working out the chest at home that's going to show you what's happening when we're doing a bench press. Because when we're doing a push-up, we're actually mimicking a bench press. So this is what it looks like when you're doing a bench press. So as you see right here, when you're coming up at the peak, that's the maximum contraction of your chest. And we know that we need to make sure that we maximize our contraction to get the best results. So as you see when we have it frozen here, right at that peak, right when you're going right here, that's where you want to be at when you're starting your push-up. So to get into the right position, this is where you want your arms to be. As you see, it'll give you the perfect length and where you want to be when you start. If you go too wide, that contraction is gone. But if you come in and squeeze, just like how you're doing a bench press, that's how you're gonna get the maximum out of your push-up. So I'm gonna show you another example here when you're using resistance bands, because you're doing this every time you work out your chest, whether you're aware of it or not. Now this comes from my last video I did about resistant bands. And as you can see, when we're using our resistant bands, we come and we freeze right here where you can see the maximum contraction of your chest. So again, when you're doing this exercise, all you're doing is stretching your chest out as much as possible and you're squeezing as much as possible, all right? And when you get that maximum contraction, remember, it's here. So I'm showing you two examples of where you wanna be at and what you're trying to accomplish when you're doing a push-up. So after we finish taking a look at these little details here, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you the actual push-up where you want to start and finish and get the maximum results to get that proper technique to get the physique that you want to get. All right, so what we're going to do here is make sure that we start off in the right position. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and get on our knees, and remember, we want to start here. This is going to let us know how far apart our hands are, where we want that maximum contraction in our chest, and that's where we're going to begin. So I recommend just starting off this way. You're gonna walk your way up, all right? You're gonna get on your toes here and make sure your back is straight. This is where we wanna end in the push-up every single time. So we're gonna come down, low. We wanna stretch out that chest. We wanna come up and squeeze, all right? Down, squeeze, down, squeeze, down, squeeze. All right, I'm gonna show you at a different angle because I wanna drill this in your head to make sure that you're doing this properly, okay? I wanna make sure that you're seeing all the details here because the details matter to get that great physique. So again, we're gonna go in our position right here where we're maximizing, squeezing the chest, maintaining it, walking up. All right, we're gonna put our legs out, squeeze our glutes, or our butt cheeks, contract those abs, come down, up, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, squeeze, every single time, up, squeeze, up, squeeze. All right, so I'm gonna show you on the other side here. Now, pay attention to my legs on this one. You're gonna squeeze your glutes. And what I mean by glutes, I mean your butt cheeks. That's gonna keep you stable throughout the motion and also contract your abdominals. So we're gonna begin again, making sure that we have our chest in the most contracted state. Gonna come down, walk our way to the correct position, put our legs out, squeeze those glutes, contract the abdominals, down, up, down, up. When we're coming down, full stretch with the chest, fully contracted with the chest every single time. This is how you have proper technique every single time you do a push-up. And I guarantee if you do your push-ups like that, you will see results.
This concludes our workout for today. And we've learned a lot of things today and tools to give you great technique when doing a push-up. So the things we need to do is make sure that we have our chest contracted from the beginning. We want to make sure that our back is straight, our glutes are contracted, and that way we can make sure that we get the best effectiveness out of the push-up. Also, if you're looking to get that great physique, it's not only in the gym and doing a push-up, it's all about how you eat. So I have a video right here that's going to show you how to eat, and a free meal plan down below that you can click to get the best out of your physique. So if you enjoyed the video that you saw today, just go ahead and hit that like button. And if you love it, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.